welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off again with bare face. Today we're have a bare face because we're gonna be testing out, trying out the new Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. They came out with the lemonade palette not too long ago, and honestly I didn't pick it up just because I have a lot of warm tones, and then here I am picking up a warm tone palette. um Honestly, these colors are really cute. The smell, it smells like grape soda. It smells really good actually. These colors look really good. I actually wanted the palette just because, ooh, I saw these colors. Oh my god, yes. Ugh. Um, that blue is a little lackluster, but honestly I saw these colors and I just wanted to try out the palette. Um, and we're gonna do a look, mostly more of like a simple look. I think this palette retails for like, I don't know, $13.99. I saw it in a lot of places, but on Walmart I think it's a little bit cheaper. So if you guys have a Walmart near you, check it out there. It might be a little bit cheaper. And I'm gonna start with um, the color Crushing on my Morphe M502 brush. We're gonna start with the orangey shade, and we're gonna use that as our transition color. Okay, now that I have my desired intensity of that color on my lid, I'm at my crease. I'm gonna go in with Morphe M513 brush, and I'm gonna use this Cola Float color, and I'm gonna put that right under that crushing color, just to make this a little bit deeper and intensify the crease. Okay, now that I have the color that I want on my crease, there's not more to go on because this is too light and this is like a satin color. This is too dark. I think I'm gonna go in with the purple cherry on top color, and I'm gonna add that to my outer edge with this Anastasia brush. I'm gonna go in with the color Soda Fizz on my lid, and I'm gonna use, you know what, yeah, I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this all over the lid. That's very pretty. This color is so beautiful. It's very like wet looking. I love it. Um, I'm gonna go in back with the Anastasia brush, and I'm gonna intensify the purple that we put in our outer corners and clean the crease. This one, more of like a packing brush with the different bristles. I'm gonna use the M430, excuse me, and I'm gonna use the root beer color, and then we're gonna smoke it out and make those inner, I mean outer corners a little bit more smoky. And I'm gonna go back in with that purple color because we kind of lost it putting in the darker color, just so that it shows up a little bit. Okay, so far I'm really digging this eye look. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Smudging brush, and I'm gonna get the color Cola Float and put that in my lower lash line. And with a little small detail brush, I'm gonna go in with a M149, and I'm gonna grab this purple color, the cherry on top color. And with the same brush that we used on our lower, on our crease, the Anastasia brush, without adding any color to it, we're gonna blend our with that same brush, we're gonna blend our lower. With that same brush that we took, we're gonna clean it off a bit, and we're gonna use that root beer color with the same M149, and we're gonna add that root beer color only to the outer edge part of our eye, our lower lash line, the outer part, and we're gonna smoke that out, and we're gonna make that, connect that to the outer edge of our eye, and we're gonna leave that really close to our lower lash line, just to smoke out a little bit more our lash line. And then we're gonna blend again because we don't want any harsh lines. With my little Techniques detail brush, I'm gonna go in with the color Tonic, and I'm gonna add that to the inner part of our eye. We're also gonna make that our inner corner highlight and our brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, pop some mascara, and then we're gonna continue and finish the rest of our face. Okay guys, so I curled my lashes and put on some mascara. So now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild blush and Mellow Wine, and with my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush to our cheeks. We're gonna go in with this NYX lingerie liquid lipstick. in ruffle trim. Okay, now that I look at it, it's a little too warm, so I'm gonna add a little bit of um, the Wet n Wild liquid katsu in nudie patootie right on top. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. What do you guys think? Honestly, I really like this palette. I didn't use the purple color, even though it's very, very beautiful. I need to use this in another look. It's just that everyone I saw that was using this palette was using this color. So I didn't want it to be too repetitive. I wanted you to get a more wearable look, more something that you guys would actually wear. I don't know if you guys would wear, wouldn't wear a purple look, but I just wanted to be more realistic and show you another way to use the palette without it being too dramatic, more of a smoky eye. Um, and I hope you guys like it. I really like this palette. Like I said, I think it runs for $13.99 in most stores. I think Ulta.com is like $13.99 or $14.99, but I believe it's a few dollars cheaper on Walmart.com. Um, I could be wrong. I'm not sure. So just make sure you check those out. I really like this palette. I think this is easily gonna go in my top shelf, and I'm gonna be using this palette often just because of all the colors and how easy it is. Everything blended so easily, and I love it. All the shimmer colors, all the um, shades we used blended really nicely. I love the little my inner corner highlight. I love everything about the palette. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know down below of any videos you guys would like to see in the future from me. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for joining me today. And have a great rest of your day from wherever you are. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.